Class 9 Novel Nature question with answer. Let's understand the poem. What is noteworthy in an oak? An oak tree is very big, strong, and long lasting. It can stand firmly for about 300 years. Who is fairer, an oak or a lily? How? A lily is fairer because it looks beautiful, smells sweet, and feels fresh. Even though it lives for only one day, it gives people joy and happiness. What ultimately happens to an oak? At last, the oak tree falls to the ground. It becomes dry, leafless, and lifeless. Is a man blessed with a long life and material prosperity? Yes, some people are blessed with a long life and wealth, but this happens only in some cases. What are your impression about the lily? A lily is small and does not grow like a big tree. It lives only for a short time, but it spreads beauty, happiness, and joy everywhere. Can a short life be perfect? Which lines suggest this and how? Yes, a short life can be perfect. The lines are in small proportions we just beauty see, and in short measures life may perfect be. These lines means that a short life is filled with good deeds and beauty is better than a long life without purpose. Choose the best possible meaning of just. The correct meaning of just is only a short time ago. Comprehension questions. Why is a lily fairer than an oak? A lily is more beautiful than an oak because it spreads its bright color and sweet smell everywhere, even though it lives for only one day. Which qualities make a man noble? Good thoughts, high ideals, kind feelings, and good deeds make a person noble. Is a long life the measure of a person's worth? No, a person's value is not decided by how long they live, but by how they live. Do you agree that a short life may be perfect? Yes, I agree. A short life filled with good actions and kindness can be meaningful and successful. What do these words suggest? Of a day means a very short time, only one day. That night means the lily dies on the same night it blooms. Smell the sweet fragrance of a lily. Short means a short but meaningful life full of good work. Choose the correct answer. We see beauties in the lily because it is the flower of light. The poem teaches us that small things can make life beautiful. In the poem, short life means short measures. In the context of the poem, the lily is beautiful but short lived.